If you're using an Android smartphone but you want to use the iPhone, that time it's really good news for you guys. Now you can turn your Android mobile phone like as the iPhone operating system, and here if you're using the mobile phone which interface looks like almost the iPhone, that time it's really awesome for you guys. Now your Android mobile phone will be turned into the iPhone. So how you can do that in this video I'm going to talking with about. I'm sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting my video, I request you, if you are still not the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to go to in the Google Play Store, and from here you need to install an launcher in your Android mobile phone, and that launcher is the iphone 11 launcher, OS 13 iLauncher Control Center. And after that you need to open up it there in your Android mobile phone, and here it is guys, it's almost launching in my Android mobile phone, and here you need to wait a while for that. And here you have to remind that this launcher you will face sometimes some ads, so skip those. So now from here you can just select your own wallpaper as it is, as like you want. So from here you can do it from there. So here from I can just select it as my own wish from here. So I just select a wallpaper like this is the wallpaper, or here I can use this or this. So I just use this here. Now click on the get started from here. Now click on the allow. Now click on the allow again. And from here you need to enable this. Okay, enable now. So just enable this there. Now go to the back, and here you need to on this. So from here this is the notification access, and you need to enable this also from here. So just go to on that iPhone 11 launcher and allow it from here. Now go to the back, and here it is guys, it's okay. Now go to the get started from here, and from here you will get looks like that. And here is guys, your iPhone 11 launcher is launching. So here the control center, the sweep down and other things is done for you. And now just click on the set as default, as it will be set in the default. So from here go to the launcher, and from here just select it as it is. Now here it is, it's okay. Now you need to go to in the iPhone 11 again, and from here you need to go to in the control center, and from here you can now just customize your control center from here as it is. This is the control center, you can also customize it. Now go to on that. So from here go to in the notification center or in the assistive touch. Now go to on that, and from here just on this, and here it is guys, the assistive touch which you will get in the iPhone, you will get it in your mobile phone too. So from here permission required, which permissions are required here, you need to give those. So for the more download from here, iPhone launcher 11 is off, you need to make it on. Now go to the back, and here is guys, we're there in my van. Now you can also do another thing is that go to in the iPhone 11 from here, and here from you need to go to the down to the below, and here you'll get another option is the lock screen. So from here you need to select any option from here, as I select this the fingerprint. So now click on the OK, and it's okay. And here if you see that it's not enabled and security, that time you need to make it on, and like that. Now go to the here, and here everything is done from me. Now if I just lock it there, that time whenever I just on it there, that time you can see that there have a lock screen is also there. So from here whenever I just go to on that, it will be open. Now here it is guys, this is the thing that I want to show you as it is, that it looks like that in my Android mobile phone. So here is guys, this is the thing that I want to show you to explain you that how I can just turn my Android mobile phone into the iPhone. So here it is guys, it's really awesome and awesome trick for you guys. I hope you will also try it at home with your this mobile phone. So if you just going to try this, before just going to try it, I request you please give a like that my video, comment me below on this video guys, share this video with your friends. Guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.